So, NewYorkTimes.com/passes is the link you need. And then create an account and enter your school Gmail account. So at ncpsk12.org, click continue. Enter the password manually, the same one you use for Power School and to log into a computer at school and for Schoology. Create account. And then save your password. And then go to your mail and confirm your email address. You should have received a email from the New York Times. So click that link and declare yourself as either student or staff and your year of graduation. I clearly had some uncertainty there. And add an additional email address just as a backup plan. So that can be a Gmail, not a school one. And then get started. You can go to your account and check your profile. And under profile, you can sort of scroll through, but then if you click on the profile link on the left, you can link it up to your Google account, your school Google. Be sure before you click this button that you are 100% synced to your school Gmail account before you do anything here. Good. And then, yep, absolutely. And then continue. And then you have a couple other things on the left. You can check your subscription overview and you can check your email settings. And those are pretty much most of the settings that you have. And then you can click on the New York Times link and get started. Okay? Enjoy.